Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the panel on your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a cleaning cloth. Let's get started. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged for safety. Begin by removing the 4 screws located at the back of the device using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel away from the main unit. Be cautious not to damage any internal wiring. Now, you should see the internal components of your Thermomix. Next, locate the panel that needs to be replaced. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal area with a cloth to prevent any dust from interfering with the new panel. Now, using the flathead screwdriver, carefully pry out the old panel. Make sure to avoid any wires or components that may be in the way. If you encounter any difficulty, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you identify any issues before you continue. After successfully removing the old panel, take your new panel and align it with the connectors inside the device. Press firmly but gently to secure it in place. Once the panel is properly fitted, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align the back panel carefully and press it down until it clicks into place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and replace the 4 screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel firmly. If at any point you feel uncertain or do not have the necessary tools to complete this task, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you can get your Thermomix serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Simply reach out to us for a quote before repair. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the new panel to ensure it functions correctly. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully changed the panel on your Thermomix TM31. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us for support. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.